guys, welcome to another episode of Travel with Toniann, and today I'm at Ocean Eden Bay, the adult only all-inclusive hotel. I love this hotel. I've been here, this is my second time, and I'm going to share with you our room tour. Now, we got here at 2 o'clock. We had to wait a little bit, but I just got my room. The room hasn't changed. Again, this is my second time coming here. I'm going to show you a room tour. The room hasn't changed. It's the same as before. So let's go. So you come through the door and you have this closet space. Here's where you have your steamer. They don't have irons, which I appreciate because I don't like irons. You have your shoe shine sponge here, and you have your extra pillows. You have your hangers and your laundry bag, and of course your umbrella. And this is needed because it's currently raining. We got here and it's raining. Can you imagine that? It always rains during the Independence holiday. I don't know why. Over here is your tea station. We have our one cup. We're gonna ask for another one. And you have your coffee here, your sugar, your water, and your coffee maker. Your please do not disturb sign, very important. Down here we have our fridge, and it's stocked daily with your Coca-Cola, your stripe, your bigger, your 1 red stripe, and your beers and water, of course. Over the other side you have your safe. It's big enough to fit a 17-inch laptop, which is what I use to create content. Over on the other side here you have another space with lots of shelves. We can appreciate that. And drawers. I mean, I guess if you're staying here for a long time, you would need such, you know, a large space. Over to the right hand side is the bathroom. Again, not my type, but you have the tub here, which is okay. I don't like the decor of this place. It's really old-fashioned. I don't really like it, but I guess some people will have an appreciation for it, right? You have your shower cap, your vanity kit, your shaving kit, your rags, you know, your toothpaste. You have your mirror here, your body wash here. I don't know why that is out there and not in here, but anyway, this is the shower. You have a nice rain shower here and thing. Again, not my type in terms of decor, but listen, I'm just here for the food. I'm not gonna lie about that. The toilet area is over this side here, and yeah, I guess they want to separate the two. Over here is the room. Now, I don't understand, it's an adults only room. Sorry, it's an adult only hotel, but they give us 2 beds. Not realizing that it's 2 persons here, so why didn't I get 1 bed? But I guess, I don't know, but anyways. You have your television that has 63 channels, your chest of drawer here. You have somewhere to put your bags. Here we have it here. And you have a study area, so I guess if you're working remotely, you can come here and work. A little space here for you to chill. They gave us this Smirnoff vodka for free. Yeah, really nice taste. And out here is your balcony area, and you have a swing. You have some seats out here. It's currently raining, unfortunately, but let me show you what it looks like so far. This is the view. Now, when I came here about 4 years ago, I was over in that space, and I feel that space is better because it has a swimming pool. I think this here has a swimming pool, but I think this has a better view. That's the adult only pool, and that's it. I don't mind it at all. Not bad. But this is my room, and I'm gonna share with you my entire experience here in terms of the food and everything that this hotel has to offer. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please do subscribe for all your Jamaican content. Let me know what you think about Ocean Eden Bay. Is this somewhere you'd stay? Let me know in the comments.